Understanding the top reasons for Veterans Affairs claim denials is crucial. Common issues include insufficient medical evidence, missed deadlines, lack of service connection, incorrect forms, and failure to attend exams. Address these by gathering comprehensive documentation, adhering to timelines, ensuring accurate form completion, and attending all required evaluations. These strategies enhance your chances of a successful claim. Welcome to Vet Mentor AI. Our mission is to empower veterans to navigate the Veterans Affairs claims process and secure deserved benefits. We blend expert Veterans Affairs knowledge with artificial intelligence technology to guide you through appealing denied claims. Today, we'll explore common denial reasons and strategies to overcome them. Nearly one-third of first-time Veterans Affairs disability claims face denial. However, over 60% succeed on appeal when properly addressed. Importantly, 75% of denials stem from correctable documentation issues. These figures highlight that denials often present opportunities for correction rather than final verdicts. A common reason for Veterans Affairs claim denial is the absence of a current diagnosis. The Veterans Affairs mandates a valid medical diagnosis from a qualified provider. Relying solely on symptoms or outdated records leads to denial. Ensure your condition is officially diagnosed to meet Veterans Affairs requirements. Schedule a medical appointment with a Veterans Affairs doctor or private physician for a formal diagnosis. Ensure they document symptoms, diagnosis, and daily impact. Gather all relevant medical records, including treatment notes and lab results. Request a disability benefits questionnaire from your doctor. Obtain an expert opinion linking your condition to military service. A valid diagnosis alone isn't enough for Veterans Affairs claim approval. You must establish a service connection showing your condition began, was caused or aggravated by your service, or is secondary to another service-connected condition. Without this crucial link, the Veterans Affairs will deny your claim, regardless of severity. Buddy letters from fellow service members can substantiate your claim by detailing witnessed events or symptoms. Nexus letters from healthcare providers should connect your condition to service, explaining the medical rationale. A detailed timeline of symptom onset and progression is crucial. James R., an Army veteran, found a Nexus letter pivotal for his claim approval. Incomplete applications are a common reason for claim denials. Ensure every section is filled out accurately. Even minor details matter. Provide detailed descriptions of symptoms and incidents. Include all necessary supporting documents like medical and service records to avoid leaving gaps that could hinder your claim's approval. Utilize a claim checklist to ensure all required documents are included. Have someone review your application for completeness. Keep copies of everything for records and appeals. Consider using Vet Mentor AI's application review system to scan for errors, potentially reducing denial chances by up to 40%. The compensation and pension (C&P) exam is vital for Veterans Affairs claim evaluations. Missing it often leads to automatic denial. Common reasons include incorrect address, short notice, transportation issues, medical conflicts, or misunderstanding its importance. The Veterans Affairs rarely reschedules without good cause, risking your claim being decided without this essential evidence. Verify your contact information with the Veterans Affairs to avoid missed compensation and pension exams. Update details via VA Gov or call 1-800-827-1000. If rescheduling is needed, contact the Veterans Affairs at least 48 hours in advance. Provide documentation for missed exams like medical records. Vet Mentor AI offers reminders and transportation assistance to help you attend these vital appointments. A weak personal statement can undermine your Veterans Affairs claim. Avoid vague descriptions. Specify when, where, and how incidents occurred. Clearly articulate how your condition impacts daily life and work. Ensure consistency with medical records to maintain credibility. A well-crafted statement is crucial for Veterans Affairs raters to understand the severity of your disability. Vet Mentor AI's personal statement builder assists veterans in crafting detailed narratives by including specific dates, locations, and incident details. It ensures symptoms are described clearly, impacts on daily life are explained, and consistency with medical records is maintained. This approach uses language that resonates with Veterans Affairs raters, enhancing claim approval chances. Mental health claims often face denial due to insufficient documentation of symptoms and inconsistent treatment records. Hearing loss claims are frequently rejected when test results don't meet Veterans Affairs thresholds, despite real world impact. Back injuries and joint conditions are commonly denied due to lack of continuity of care or difficulty proving service connection, respectively. After receiving a denial, review your decision letter to understand the reasons and appeal options. Under the American Medical Association, choose between higher level review, supplemental claim, or board appeal, each with unique requirements. For supplemental claims, gather new evidence addressing denial reasons. Submit your appeal with comprehensive documentation before the deadline to rectify original claim issues. Vet Mentor AI offers an evidence analyzer that reviews medical records to identify overlooked service connections, flagging evidence gaps, and suggesting necessary documents. The Statement Builder provides step-by-step guidance for crafting personal statements and appeals. The Deadline Tracker sends automated reminders for critical deadlines, ensuring timely submissions and follow-ups in your claims process. Our AI ensures a thorough claim review, pinpointing potential issues and suggesting improvements. It identifies missing medical evidence and service connections, aiding in documentation gathering. For compensation and pension exams, it offers guidance on symptom communication. If denied, it crafts a tailored appeal strategy, leveraging insights from thousands of successful claims for optimal approval chances. Marine veteran Michael faced 2 denials over 3 years. Veteran Mentor Artificial Intelligence identified the lack of a clear connection in his post-traumatic stress disorder claim. By drafting a personal statement and obtaining a Nexus letter, his appeal was approved in 90 days. His rating increased from 0% to 70%, granting him compensation and mental health services. Get help today with a free claim review. Upload your denial letter for an artificial intelligence-powered analysis to understand why it was denied and the next steps. Use our appeal builder for a step-by-step guide to address denial reasons. Schedule a one-on-one session with a claims specialist for personalized guidance. Visit vetmentorai.com or call 1-800-VET-HELP. Explore our free resources to stay informed and connected. Subscribe to our weekly newsletter for Veterans Affairs updates, download claims checklists, and join our community forum for peer support. Visit www.vetmentorai.com or email support@vetmentorai.com. You fought for us, now let us fight for you. Fight.